Hey dolls and gents, y'all have legit been sending me so many requests to do this skincare regimen video. I had to refilm it for you guys. I'm gonna get it up for y'all tonight so you can have it. I know y'all are like, girl, what's your updated skincare regimen? What are you using? Your skin looks bomb. Honestly, my skin right now is a mess because it is about to be that time of the month for me. So I've got pimples galore, but I'm like, I cannot keep y'all waiting. My skin is a work in progress. If you've been following me for a minute, then you know where my skin has come from and where it is now. I still do have darkness in some areas on my skin, and I've got the breakouts here, but normally I don't really deal with breakouts. The only time I have them is during that time of the month or right before that time of the month. If you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button. If you have not already clicked thumbs up, what are you doing? Hit thumbs up because I actually do what you guys request me to do. And if you want to see what products I have been using on my skin as of late, you know what to do. Stay tuned, boo.
We're going to start by cleansing the skin. I like to use the Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel, and this is perfect for brightening the skin. It does have a lot of brightening ingredients like citric acid, lemon, lime. It has a bunch of ingredients. This cleanser is the bomb. As you can see, I've used up more than 3/4 of this baby. Like when I'm done, I will be purchasing more of this. Now that I'm in my 30s, I like to use a lot of anti-aging products, but I also like to use products that brighten. So this is a brightening and anti-aging cleanser, which is the bomb. I'm using it with my Clarisonic Mia 2. I've had this for, oh my gosh. I have had this Clarisonic for at least, I want to say like 7 years, y'all. This Clarisonic is so nice. I also have the Mia 2. I have the Foreo still and a couple of other cleansing devices, but this is the one that I always tend to go back to. Next, I'm going to use an exfoliator. I like using the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. This is so gentle that you can actually use it on a daily basis, which I love. If you have oily combination skin like me, you are going to love this stuff. It has a rice based like powder formula, and I actually enjoy the way that it smells, and I like that it exfoliates my skin. My skin feels so smooth once I rinse it off, but it's not too abrasive. Today is mask day. I do not use a facial mask on a daily basis. I use a facial mask like 2, possibly 3 times a week, just depending on how my skin is acting. Today, I chose to use the Dermalogica Charcoal Rescue Mask. And the reason I'm using this is because it is a clay-based mask, and these are perfect for bringing out toxins in the skin, getting rid of excess oil. You know that I'm going through a few breakouts because it's that time of the month for me. So this is the perfect mask for me. It also has sulfur in it, which will promote brighter skin. So it has a lot of good ingredients in it to help with acne and also brightening. So you will see after I take this baby off, my skin just looks like so glowy. I love it so much, y'all. And I'm using it with this e.l.f. like mask applicator. I will link it down below for you guys if I can find a link. Now it's time to tone the skin. I have been using this toner for a very long time now. I have tried other toners, but again, I always go back to this one. It just keeps my skin looking bright, breakouts at bay. I just love it. This is the Michael Todd Organic Lemon AHA and DMAE toner. So it exfoliates and it also firms and brightens the skin, and it's perfect for eliminating texture on the skin. So now it's time to apply essence. Essence is something that I've only been using for the past like year and a half. And I absolutely love the Caudalie Vino Perfect. That is my favorite essence. When I ran out, I decided to repurchase a product that I used previously, which is the one I'm using today, the Lancome Energy de Vie. And I honestly prefer the Caudalie Vino Perfect. So I'm going to put that in the description box down below for you guys because I really feel like a full bottle of that did my skin some good. Well, a lot of good. So I've got to let y'all know about that product because I feel like that really was a game changer along with this product right here. This is one of the 2 serums that I like to use at night. So I always apply the Dermalogica Biolumin C serum at night and during the day. So twice a day, every day. This serum is the bomb. My favorite of all time. You need it in your life. It's expensive, but well worth it, I promise you. So at night, I like to use a second serum. I'll either use the Lancome Advanced Genifique or I'll use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. And I'm running low on my Genifique, so I use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair today. Both of these are really bomb night serums. Do not forget to moisturize your lips. I have been loving the Agave Plus Nighttime Lip Therapy. This is their newest lip mask and I love it so much. It's so moisturizing, but I also like using this during the day if I'm not applying any makeup to my skin. This moisturizer is also a holy grail for me. I never thought that I would love this moisturizer when I first purchased it. I think I purchased it during one of Sephora's VIB sales because it's 75 bucks, so it is quite expensive, but it works so good. Y'all know I have oily combination skin, but I'm telling you, this moisturizer, especially at night, is the bomb. It just leaves your skin nice and supple and soft, and I just love it so much. So my last and final step in my skincare regimen is applying an eye cream, and I'm currently loving the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This is the bomb. I only use this at nighttime because it is a thick moisturizer. I don't like using it before makeup, but at nighttime, let this sit underneath your eyes. You're gonna wake up and your under eye is going to be so supple, so hydrated. I like applying this with my fingers just to warm it into my skin, and I work it up into my orbital bone.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. If you have any other video requests, feel free to let your girl know in the comment section down below. If you have not already clicked that thumbs up, why the heck not? Do it now, sis, before the video goes off. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not already checked out my latest video, click the box right here and you will go straight to it. I'm not going to tell nobody you didn't watch my video before now, but if you don't click this box right now, then we gonna fight, okay?